I think that there's a problem with my hair system. So here's what I think it is. I think that when they cut this hair system, when they fitted it to me, that they cut the hairline too low. Because what I found is that I'm always having to shave this hair away right through here on both sides. I have to keep shaving this back all the time, and there's a lot of hair growing here. So I think actually my hairline should be a little bit higher, and because right up here I have very little hair growth, and the same thing in the back, like almost nothing. And also another problem is this hairline right here in the back. I really can't see in the mirror to shave it. So and one time I shaved it and I cut too much off, and then now the hair system on the back side doesn't tie in very well. So this is kind of a problem with to deal with just the daily maintenance of the hair system, especially if you are taking it off every day like I do. I take it off every day because this one is a skin base, and if I don't take it off every day, my head gets really nasty here, especially if I go to the gym and I'm working out. So for me, I have to take this off every day, and so that means every day when I'm taking the system off, I'm not every day shaving, but most days just knocking down these little hairs that still grow. I do have a little hair growth, but yeah, I think right here there's too much hair growth, and I need to probably have my hair system designed so it fits better to this. So this is the problem of you know, if whoever does your install is not very experienced, or they're not careful and really checking out your hairline, this could be, I guess, one of the issues that might come up. But I might try to cut it down myself, although that would be kind of scary, cutting my own hair system. So we'll see. I don't know if I can or not. But this one is, I believe this type of system is all skin based, and I believe I could just cut basically any amount of it, because I think it's kind of like there's no different materials in here. It's all the same thing. So basically I can cut it any shape I need to. So anyways, that's the thing, is I think it's really important to get the hairline correct in the beginning. Otherwise you're going to be like me. You're going to have to be cutting this, shaving here all the time, and you might mess up the hairline because sometimes when I shave here I catch some of the long hairs and they fall off, and I know it's kind of messing up the hairline. It's really kind of hard to shave just exactly along that hairline. But actually electric razor is pretty useful for this, because the electric won't grab the long hairs, but it'll get, you know, it'll shave the short ones down. So I do think that using my electric razor is pretty good for this. I would definitely recommend considering that, using that option instead of a blade. Although the blade's kind of faster, you know, you just one pass and you're done. So anyways, that's what I'm thinking about the hairline issue is, if you find that your hairline is also not right, then you know you're gonna have to deal with this same thing too. You're gonna have to get the hair system probably cut down a little bit more, so that you don't have so much daily maintenance of shaving the hairs. Because if you don't shave the hair, then the tape will, it won't stick very well. It'll stick to the hairs, and then when you go to pull it off, it hurts. It really pulls like hell because it's just ripping on hairs, you know. And the other one is it doesn't really stick as well as it does on your skin. So those are two issues I see with this hairline problem. I'm looking forward to getting a new hair system made that's going to have skin along the front, skin base on the front, and lace in the back. And that way I could just leave it on all the time instead of taking it off every day. So anyways, hopefully I'll come out better with getting this hairline issue corrected soon.